Motor vehicle assemblers in Kenya sold more than 4,300 vehicles in the first 6 months of this year, according to reports from the Kenya Motor Industry Association. The report indicates that this is 80% more than 2,400 vehicles that were sold in the first half of 2020. Isuzu remained the top assembler in the country, increasing its unit output by 922 to assemble 2,323 Isuzu trucks, buses and sedans. The Japanese car maker was followed by another Japanese giant, Toyota, which produced a total of 856 Toyotas and Hino brands. The report says Simba Corporation was third, assembling 834 units at its associated vehicle assemblers plant in Mombasa. The vehicle dealer assembles Mitsubishi, Mahindra and Malaysian brand Proton. The bulk of the assembled units are commercial vehicles, pickups, trucks and buses, though dealers are adding more passenger car models to their assembly lines. Local assemblers now produce nearly 20 models, including buses, trucks, pickups and passenger cars, such as Peugeot 3008 and 508 sedan. Most vehicles are assembled for the Kenyan market, with few exports to the regional markets. It was very long.